In this video, you'll learn how to link Mailchimp to Teachable. This integration will enable you to automate your email marketing efforts with your online courses. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful connection. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL to access the homepage. Here, you will see various options for managing your email campaigns and audience. Next, locate the integrations option in the main navigation menu. This section allows you to connect various applications with your Mailchimp account. Clicking on integrations will direct you to a page where you can find available integrations. Once you're on the integrations page, type Teachable into the search bar. This action will filter the results and help you find the Teachable integration quickly. After entering the name, look for the Teachable icon in the displayed results. After that, click on the Teachable option that appears in the search results. This will take you to the integration details page where you can find information about linking Mailchimp to Teachable. Now, you will see a button labeled Connect These Apps. Click on this button to initiate the connection process between Mailchimp and Teachable. A new interface will open, prompting you to set up the integration. Next, you need to click on the Trigger Event drop-down menu. This option allows you to select an event that will trigger the integration. A list of events will appear from which you can choose the appropriate one for your needs. After making your selection, click on Choose an Event. This step is crucial as it determines what action will initiate the integration between the two applications. Ensure you select the desired event from the list provided. Once this is done, click on Email Open to specify the trigger event you want to use. This action will finalize the selection for the trigger event in your integration setup. Next, navigate to the Account section in the Setup interface. Here you will need to connect your Mailchimp account to Teachable. Clicking on this will allow you to proceed to the next steps. Now, click on the Teachable option within the Account section. This is necessary for specifying which application you are linking with Mailchimp. Ensure that the correct application is selected before moving forward. After that, you will need to click on Action Event. This option allows you to define what action should be taken in Teachable when the trigger event occurs in Mailchimp. Subsequently, click on Choose an Event to select the specific action you want to execute in Teachable. This step is essential for customizing how Mailchimp interacts with your Teachable account. Then, select Create New User from the list of available actions. This option will allow you to add new users to your Teachable account based on the trigger from Mailchimp. Next, click on Account, again to ensure that your Teachable account's properly connected. This step confirms that Mailchimp has the necessary permissions to interact with your Teachable account. Finally, click on Connect Teachable to finalize the linking process. This action will establish the integration and allow Mailchimp to communicate with your Teachable account as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching.